hairstyle. I'm going to be creating bubble braid hairstyle. Alright, so like as you can see, I have middle parted my hair already into two sections. I'm starting with on my left hand side here. So I'm tying my hair into a pigtail first, then I'm tying my hair again with another hair elastic band at some 2 inches to 3 inches gap or so, depending on how you'd like. And then I'm pinching the braid so it forms a bubble shape look and feel, and you guys look how big and voluminous it looks. Alright, so next I'm tying my hair again with another hair elastic band at some 2 to 3 inches gap or so, and then I'm pinching the braid so it forms a bubble shape like the previous bubble braid. And you guys, I'm repeating the same steps one more time to create one more bubble, as to have 3 bubbles total at one side. And you guys, here we have it. Look how gorgeous and voluminous the braid look. And now I'm going to be basically repeating the same steps on the right hand side of my head. And you guys, here we have our complete and full sweater with the hairstyle. And see how cute the hairstyle looks. Alright, so to create this cute fishtail braid hairstyle, I have middle parted my hair already like always, and starting braiding my left hand sided hair first. So I'm splitting my hair into kind of 2 equal sections and taking a small hair strand from the back of my right hand side hair and crossing it over to the left hand side hair and adding with it. Then I'm doing the same now, taking a small hair strand from the back of my left hand sided hair strand and then crossing it over and adding with right hand side hair strand. And again I'm taking a small hair strand from the back of my right hand side hair strand and crossing it over to the left hand side hair strand and adding with it. And then I'm doing the same again, taking a small hair strand from the back of my left hand side hair strand, then crossing it over and adding with right hand side hair strand. And you guys, I'm going to be repeating these same steps all the way down, taking a small hair strand from one strand, crossing it over and adding with the other strand, and repeating the same with one another to complete our cute fishtail braid hairstyle. Alright, so when I reached at the desired length, or let's say finished braiding, I'm pinching the braid stitches for some volume and for free look and feel. You can see the difference, see how gorgeous the braid looks. I so loved it. I loved how cute the braids look, so voluminous, so gigantic. Starting braiding my right side here, I'm taking a small hair strand from one side, crossing it over and adding with the other side, and then I'm repeating the same steps and securing the braid at the end. And you guys, our second sweater weather hairstyle is done. watching, and you guys, happy new year! My gosh, I couldn't believe that this video will be coming on Friday. This Friday will be Jan 1st 2021.
And you guys, happy new year.